Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at graduated filters. The graduated filter is located in the middle of the toolbar. When you click on it, you can see a ton of different options. Everything from exposure, contrast, highlights. And when you click and drag on your image, you'll see this thing appear. This is the filter. Now you can move it around. If you press shift, it will snap into place, as you can see. And you can move it around. Now, if it's stretched a lot, it will be a very gradual filter, like this. But if it's very tight, you'll get a very abrupt filter. So now I want to make the sky look darker, so I'm going to change the exposure and bring it down slightly. And I want to make a very gradual filter. Now I could increase the contrast and make the dark parts darker, like this, or I could also do something else. I could change the shadows and bring them down. That would make the dark parts darker, like this. And I'll leave the shadows at that. And bring the contrast up a bit, something like this. Now, adding a bit of clarity makes the darks darker as well, which is interesting. Something like this. But if you add less clarity, it will make it lighter. So adding just a bit of clarity, something around a bit under 50. Now you can also edit highlights like this, make the light parts darker or brighter. You could change the whites as well, make the white parts whiter. Or you can change the blacks, make the black parts blacker. But I think this is a pretty good edit. So I'm gonna click on the graduated filter on top. So this is kind of the edit. You could also add another graduated filter, but you can add it from the bottom. So I can make the bottom look a bit brighter. So I'm gonna increase the shadows and I get a lot more detail in the tower down there, as you can see. But I think that's just a bit too much. So adding a bit of contrast might fix that. As you can see, yeah, it has. It's a bit darker now. And a bit less shadows. And there you go. It's pretty good. So yeah, that's been it. Thank you. You can experiment by yourself. You can do it however you want to. That's just a quick introduction on how you can do it. So thank you for watching and goodbye.